Dear students, welcome to the classroom. Today we are going to learn our new lesson of information technology. In previous video we have learned about keyboard and in this video we will learn about mouse. Dear students, a mouse is a pointing device used to point at objects on the monitor. It also helps us to draw pictures and play games. Did you know the Dave Engelbart invented the first computer mouse in the year 1964. It was made of wood. Types of mouse. There are three types of mouse: two button mouse, three button mouse, and scroll mouse. A two button mouse has right and left buttons. A three button mouse has right, left, and center buttons. A scroll mouse has right and left buttons and a scroll wheel at the center. Scroll mouses are commonly used these days. Mouse actions. There are four types of mouse actions: click, double click, right click, and drag and drop. Click. To click, gently press and release the left mouse button. The mouse makes a clicking sound. A click selects an object on the screen. For example, take your mouse pointer over the computer icon and click on it. A square-shaped box surrounds the icon. Double click. To double click, gently press and release the left mouse button twice in a short interval. It is used to open a document or a program. For example, take the mouse pointer over the computer icon and double click on it. The computer window will open. Right click. To right click, gently press and release the right mouse button. It often displays a list of commands on the monitor. For example, take the mouse pointer over the computer icon and right click on it. A shortcut menu will appear. Drag and drop. Drag and drop is used to move an object on the screen. Hold the mouse firmly. Position the pointer over an object on the monitor and then press and hold down the left mouse button. Still holding down the button, move the pointer to where you want to place the object and then release the button. This way you can drag and drop the object. For example, take the mouse pointer over the computer icon, select the icon and drag it to some other place on the desktop and then drop it. As the mouse is dragged, the icon on the monitor will move. So dear students, in this video we have learned about mouse. So watch the video carefully to understand the lesson.